Hadin bak Sarkar Assam kalapan bana ban khang no ek jingbam dok masih haki jaka kentang ki hotel nalor ki jaka yalang pajba ha kate jella UMLA ka Bharatiya Janata Party na South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Sulai ulapan pau ka jing persya halor kane bat ongru bakane kamdai ban jia ha jella Meghalaya. Kani ka jingkran uba Sanbor Sulai kalami hadin bau nonglum kubor ulabu jingkeli halor kate kamat ya ka ban nakal yang jauh ulaong ban nakal yang jauh simen upen pau ka jing persya ka bejur lada kani ka jia ha kani ka jella da ka baong ru bakat kum kariti sensyar kari kam dan kanu ka an ban khang bam ya kanu ka jat do nalor kata ulaong ru bakat bau dang em ki dei ban bam kat ba kimon namar ki Aïom Lehkmen ki lajan.
Personally, it should not happen in Meghalaya because I condemn and I oppose. You see, when we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all about the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef?
But this,
I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what?
So you're opposing this ban in Assam?
Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? You cannot force. It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef, it's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Sanbor is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat. Enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Ma, but this ban has been imposed by BJP-led government. Ma.
You see, I'm here today as a BJP Sanbor. So my BJP style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a BJP Sanbor.
So, but will you apprise the party leadership that this is a wrong move and this?
Yes, I have prepared already. I have prepared already to send my message to the center. A copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all these things. You see, we have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya